so end of the day. Thank you for stopping by, I appreciate it. Welcome back. Today I worked on some more of these hard lid soffits. So we got the regular light right here and the exit light, it's gonna be right there. So these are on separate circuits. Both of them come up here. This is the emergency exit and this is the regular lighting. These both go through the wall. I was drilling that hole, I accidentally started to hit that pipe on the other side, so hopefully it's okay, but I might have to fix it because when I had the long drill bit on there out to here, and when I stuffed it through there, it was at a weird angle and it just went like straight up, so whoops. So I will try harder next time. I think this was in the way sort of, but usually try to just go straight through, but didn't notice it was going at an angle and I started to nick it right there at that Sharpie mark. So that's where that first hole came out, and then I drilled the second hole right there. I didn't know I could zoom in video, so that's cool. And then I got the regular one right there. Both of these coiled up right here. I do need to label them, so I don't have any white tape, but just getting it done. So there's that, and then another set over here. So we got this one right there, which hops over to there, and then over the top to here. So just getting these out of the hard lid. And then this ring right here doesn't have any, but there's another two down here. So over there, connect those two lights, and then power out to right here, which will go to the T-grid light, the 4-foot troffer light, and the drop ceiling later. And then lastly over here, so just making my way this way, and then did a couple wire pulls outside earlier. That didn't take too long, but just ended the day right here. So I got this one right there, just hopped it over to there. I'm gonna have to take one out over to about here, and then probably another one out over to here, just to continue the circuit and get it out of the or the hard lid right here. And then working on an exit sign. I didn't get that one finished at the end of the day, but I got my mark there. Just gonna screw the box on there, and then I didn't check the print, but it's probably just gonna be one wire out one side or the other. If not, it'll be out both sides. So, and then tomorrow I have to, basically, if you remember yesterday, this is the same exact, that was second floor, this is the first floor. So basically I have to do the two lights right here, a light right there, and this is slightly different. This has a wall right here, and the other floor had, basically just went into that wall right there. So I think there's one light here, one or two here, two here, and then I'm gonna whip there, and then I'm gonna whip over to here, and then this should have another one light right there. Then down around the corner right there, that middle bar right there, there should be, I'm not sure if that's a ring. I can't remember on the print if that's a ring like upstairs, another 4, or if it's a little bit different. And then down that hallway, it doesn't exist on the other floor, so haven't checked what's down the other hallway yet. So just running some 12-2 between all these boxes, as you can see, size 12 and 2 wires and a ground. So got that going. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to go over any blueprints today, but let me know if you enjoyed the blueprints explaining that, if you guys want to see that more in the future. Also going to do some specialty tools that I haven't used in a while. Someone was asking for some more tool videos, and kind of go over some tools that I don't use very often on a daily basis, so I will be going over that. I already have a few tools in mind, so let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or things you want to see in the videos. I'm just here to help you guys out, and yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Also, lastly, if you guys are good at making intros, I was getting some hate on my intro. It's not supposed to be professional or anything, but the music that goes with it is just kind of like a kid theme for the Corvette kid. So if you guys are amazing and want to make me some sweet intro or outro, I'll use it in my videos. I'd appreciate it. Or if you want to make me a banner for my YouTube page, I'd appreciate that. If you guys are good with whatever Adobe or Illustrator or whatever you use, so let me know. I'd appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Anyways, guys, see you tomorrow. Thanks. Sorry, I lied. One more thing. I just want to say thanks, guys, for the 4 or 5 people that left me a comment yesterday and tried to encourage me. I appreciate it. It did help out. Thank you for the support. I didn't really mean rough day as in I was having a bad day, although I sort of was a little bit, but usually just when I say rough day, I mean talking about roughing for work. But I appreciate the encouragement. I'm gonna try to get everyone. Hopefully I don't miss anyone, but it was Angela, Dr. Ice, John Bob, and Crazy Girl. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. It means the world to me. Thank you for the support. I will see you guys tomorrow.